Sorry for the quality of this video. I can't set it up all the way. The limit I could do is just 720. I hope that's not a big problem because I can't go higher than that. But let's get into to today's topic, which is Nvidia. The Nvidia is obviously a graphics card company, and on their website they're selling their graphics card for their normal prices. This this is a shocker because other websites or anywhere you go, these graphics cards are twice or maybe quadruple the actual price. So what they want to do is put gamers first and put crypto mining at last. They don't want miners to mine their cards because they obviously want gamers, but there could be another side to this. But they're selling the 1080s, the 1070Is at about their normal prices, but not like the prices when they were released. Obviously, you can't do that. Oh wait, it is. Maybe this is a 3 gig because I was looking at the 1060, but these look like these are the starting prices 400, 450, and obviously this is out of stock because miners or just normal people just buying a lot of them because the prices are just keep going up. They never slow down or come down, and obviously it's limited to per customer because of miners. They just buy out all of the cards at one time just because of the Bitcoin and Ethereum mining because it's so profitable in early 2018. Or people that this is good for people that wanna just upgrade their system, upgrade their graphics card, or just build a whole new computer and is new to computer gaming or graphic gaming. Now you can't buy anything, but as soon as they come in stock, you should probably just pick up one because you don't know about these graphics cards. They can go all the way up and never come down. So I would say load up with all of the graphics cards you can. Obviously, if you're a minor, but if you're just a normal person, buy one or two. Don't buy a lot. Save the rest for the other people that actually need it and not mining the cards. Mining, there's two ways to look at it. If you have an old graphics card and you're just maybe mining a little bit just to make some extra profit to buy like a mouse, a keyboard, or that 144 hertz monitor, you really want it, you just don't have the money or your parents can't buy you just mine your graphics card. That's one thing, and that's acceptable. But when there's people in warehouses with 80 graphics card mining them, that's obviously not good. First, they're buying all of the cards which means the prices are going up because the supply is low, and these graphics companies they can only make so much, and they just they just can't they just can't keep up with the demand. So obviously they have to raise the price. But Nvidia is saying other people or companies like Newegg and stuff, they should not sell to minors. Obviously this can be solved because miners are everywhere. You can not know if someone is gonna mine or not because that depends on how many graphics card they buy. If they buy a lot, obviously they're gonna mine. If they buy one or two, you don't know. But the Bitcoin has slowed down a little bit. Now it's like one Bitcoin is worth like 13K or something. But like the all-time high was like 19K. And like in 2012 it was probably worth like $200 $500 for per Bitcoin. And when it reached $500, people thought that it was growing really fast. They had no idea. If they saw 2018 right now with Bitcoin being worth 13K, everyone cashing in, grabbing their profits, grabbing everything, grabbing video calls, making profit, making profit into the Bitcoin stock market. They're making a lot of money. And Nvidia wants retailers to flag its graphics cards to gamers, not crypto miners. This just basically means gamers first, crypto mining second or last. But crypto mining is making them a lot of money because even though the prices are really high, miners are still buying them. Miners, they're still buying them, not the normal gamers. The miners are still buying them. So you could look at this as a good way for the retailers, but Nvidia doesn't think that way. They want to set the gamers first. So this basically just talked about what I talked about, but in a lot of words. Yeah, so it's dropping by like twice or triple than a normal price. This has been another video. Dislike if you liked it. Subscribe, share. I don't care.